What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2022 Lexus RX 350 F Sport. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter V6 with 295 horsepower and 268 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. And before we go ahead, first of all, this video is being uploaded on Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everyone who celebrates. Hope everyone's enjoying the holidays, and I appreciate everyone who watches my channel, and thank you for supporting me and supporting my videos. And yeah, hope you're enjoying your holidays. But anyways, so I made a video on the 350 F Sport handling 2022 model a couple weeks ago, and the handling package will essentially give like an adaptive variable suspension and better handling. It's like an optional package, and it'll give you Sport Plus. This one doesn't have Sport Plus, it's just Sport because it's the regular F Sport and not the F Sport handling package. So you want to check out that video, you can. I also made a video on the 2021 RX 450h F Sport, which is a hybrid version of this car, F Sport model, same generation or body style. So if you want to check that out, you can do that as well. So now I have all three of the F Sport models from this RX 350 generation with this video. But yeah, this one also has a smaller screen than the F Sport handling had. I wonder if that's something that only the F Sport handling gives. You do have a, yeah, it's only controlled by the touchpad, no touchscreen, but it says projection, so it has Apple CarPlay. I think it has Android Auto as well. You have the F Sport steering wheel, nice Lexus logo right here. I love the F Sport gauge cluster, of course. But yeah, the F Sport handling package, even in the IS 350, RC 350, whatever, that'll give you the Sport Plus. You have to get the handling package to get Sport Plus, is my understanding. And you have a regular sunroof, not panoramic. You have the circuit red interior, looks pretty good. Reverse camera is pretty, you know, it's not good. Typical of Lexus. Most Lexus vehicles don't have good cameras, and this is one of them. This looks like it's from 2004, that camera. Center console storage. You also have a wireless charging tray. You can see my phone over there. I'm going to turn that charger on, actually, and make sure it works. Sometimes you might have to adjust your phone a little bit for it to turn on, or for it to, yep, there you go, started charging. You also have heated and ventilated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel, always a nice touch. You also have paddle shifters behind the steering wheels as well, or wheel. But let's walk around this RX 350 F Sport and see what it looks like. You have the metal or aluminum foot pedals. This one's finished in Nightfall mica. You have gray, nice gray F Sport wheels, also says F Sport on the side. Lexus spindle grille with the typical daytime running lights you find on Lexus models. Here are the rear seats. Pretty good legroom. It's a good looking SUV. You also have dual outlet exhausts. F Sport badge, also says RX 350. And here's the trunk. You also have a cargo cover for your stuff, and looks like you have a first aid kit over there too. That's how the fuel door looks like, and gas cap. Well, let's get this car on the road and see what it's like to drive. So when I drove the F Sport handling, I wasn't too impressed with it. Because with the handling name, I was expecting it to handle better than it did. But at the end of the day, the RX 350, you know, it's like a family SUV, and this car, the F Sport's mainly for looks, to be honest with you. It's not really something that's going to make it like super fun to drive. It's nice to drive, of course, but it's not going to make it like some kind of performance SUV. It is not a performance SUV by any means. It's mainly cosmetics. It does have a stiffer suspension than the regular 350 though. Yeah, there is a decent amount of body roll in this thing, but the steering feels nice. The steering feels nice and heavy, which I do like. In the sport mode, the steering will obviously become a little bit more stiffer, which is good. And I love that gauge cluster. The F Sport gauge cluster is awesome. But yeah, I mean, this is a good looking SUV, and I really like this interior. It looks a lot better than the regular interior. So honestly, like, that's why the F Sport's a great option, because it looks a lot better than a base RX 350. Especially the circuit red interior looks really, really nice to me. Smooth ride, and the seats are very comfortable. They hold you in place, and the leather feels like it's good quality too. I mean, that's not a surprise from Lexus. Lexus makes high quality vehicles, and their interiors are usually very high quality as well. Take a U-turn up here. Let's see how it does whenever you take the U-turn. Yeah, the steering's nice and heavy. I like that. Foot to the floor now. Yeah, I mean, does the job, I guess. It's alright. The acceleration, it is a big SUV, so it feels about right for this kind of car. But overall, that concludes today's video on this 2022 Lexus RX 350 F Sport. Thanks for watching another video, Droop Drive. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of Lexus pre-owned SUVs.